Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. First of all, before we get into the video, if this video does help you out, please leave a like on today's video, it really helps out the channel. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. So what we can do now, if we want to unrepost a post on TikTok, we can head over to our TikTok app. Once we head over to TikTok, we will then need to head over to our profile. And then once we head over to our profile, you will need to click on the little 2 arrow icon right next to where your favorites are. So click on that and that will bring you to this page right here where it will show all of the posts that you have reposted on your TikTok profile. If you want to unrepost one, what you can do is select the one you want to unrepost, click on the share icon in the bottom right hand corner, and now you'll see the option to remove repost. So if you click on this, what that will do is it will say your repost has now been removed. If we go back to our profile, as you can see, if we refresh, that post has now been removed. So it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.